purchased from Olivia's last week is the Class 90 EWS from the Virgin Charter pack. I've not bothered with the DVT, I've just bought the Loco. Has lights fitted and also has sound fitted. So we've got directional lighting, and the brake lights are independently controlled. So if I press function 6, it will bring lights on. Which means that if I've got wagons at this end here, I can actually turn the lights off and just have the white lights at the other end, and same goes, if I turn it around, I can have brake lights at this end, or I can turn them off and they're controlled by function 5. Also got sound fitted. Being an electric, doesn't have much sound to it, but you can hear the pantograph rising and arcing when I turn it on, so I shall do that now. And when you shut it down, you hear the pantograph lowering, and you get that little spark sound again like you did when you started it up. Powered by a 5-pole screw-arm motor driving the front bogie and pickups on the rear bogie as well. No sprung buffers, but it does have NEM couplings, which I have replaced with KDs. Doesn't come with the lights. I asked Olivia's to install them on my behalf, and I think they've done a really good job. Perhaps could do with a cab interior. It is lacking that, so I might look into making myself one there. Apart from that though, it's not that bad. Better being bought on its own without the DVT. Hopefully Hornby will release some more. Well, the EWS one in ScotRail livery and the Freightliner are due out very shortly. So I'm thinking about getting the ScotRail one, and again having lights etc. put into that one. Nice little Loco, powerful, quiet. The sound not so much on this one as it is like on the 66 wheelers because it's electric, but apart from that, still a very good Loco.